Highlighting text. You can also highlight sections of the test. To do this, left-click and drag your cursor over the section of text or question you wish to highlight. Then, right-click and select the Highlight option. To remove highlighting from the text, right-click on the highlighted area and select Clear. If you wish to remove all highlighting from the screen, right-click on a highlighted area and select Clear All. You do not need to remove the highlighted text before moving on to the next question. The examiner will not see any highlighted text, and if you do leave highlighted text in the test, your test result will not be affected.